We're just one day away from Apple's big event on February 19th, where they're set to unveil the new iPhone SE 4. I mean, who isn't excited for a fresh twist on one of our favorite budget-friendly iPhones? There's been some pretty wild buzz floating around. Some even say this phone might actually be called the iPhone 16e. And honestly, that name fits like a glove. Imagine getting a phone that not only looks sleek, but also packs performance that could give even the iPhone 14 and 15 a run for their money. Rumor has it this little powerhouse is rocking iPhone 16 grade hardware with the A18 chip paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Yep, you heard that right. Now, let me take you on a quick tour of what's expected under the hood. Picture a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display that's as vibrant as it is smooth, complete with a notch for Face ID, much like what you'd see on the iPhone 14, but with a modern twist. And because Apple knows life can get a little rough, it's built with ceramic shield glass on the front and an aluminum frame to keep it tough. On the camera front, you're looking at a single 48 megapixel shooter with autofocus and an LED flash on the back, plus a 12 megapixel wide camera with SL3D sensors on the front. And yes, it's finally embracing the USB-C era, supporting fast-wired charging and MagSafe charging, along with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Now, here's the kicker. All these cool features might come with a starting price of around $499, right up there with the rumored Google Pixel 9a. For anyone in markets like the US and Canada, where mid-range options are limited, this could be a game changer. So, mark your calendars, folks. Here's the lowdown. Pre-orders kick off on Friday, February 21st at 5 a.m. Pacific. That's 8 a.m. Eastern or 1 p.m. UK. Just like with previous models, you might even get a chance to pick your favorite version a night before. On sale. The big release day is set for Friday, February 28th at 8 a.m. local time. I'm pretty confident about that date since Apple usually loves a Friday drop. So, what do you think? Does this sound like the ultimate mid-range iPhone, or do you think Apple's still holding back? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit that subscribe button because I'll be covering all the details when Apple finally reveals this thing. Stay tuned.